This channel has gained 7.89 million subscribers, and its videos consistently get millions of views. This AI movie channel has gained 84,000 subscribers with only 57 videos. This is another example of a channel that has gained huge success with AI movies, and that's mind-blowing. The one thing all of these channels have in common is that they are all made by AI. If you think creating AI movies like that is impossible, let me show you a cool video I created.
I am Isla, daughter of the tundra, and this is the tale of how I became a queen. In our village, strength was everything, but I knew I had to prove mine. I set out across the vast, frozen lands, my horse my only companion. The journey was long and treacherous, but I pressed on, knowing the challenges that lay ahead. Then I saw it, the great bear, my ultimate test. With my heart pounding, I faced the beast. Could I truly do this? The battle was fierce, but I emerged victorious. Returning with the bear's heart, I saw the awe in my people's eyes. They saw me differently now, not just Isla, but their queen. And so began my reign, born from courage and the heart of a bear. The crown was heavy, but I was ready.
Would you believe me if I said I created that video with just one single sentence? Yes, that's right. AI video creation has come to the next level. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of the best AI video generators to make AI videos for your YouTube channel. This tool is called Invideo AI. They recently released their version 3.0, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. With this version, you can create AI movies and AI YouTube shorts for any niche, and trust me, the process is super simple because they have around 30 workflows that we can directly use for specific creation, which makes everything 10 times easier. So I'm going to show you how to make videos like the examples YouTube channels I showed you with this AI. Once you sign up for your Invideo account, click this Create AI Video option, and then you need to select this version 3.0 from this top menu. Now, click this workflow feature to use all workflows. As you can see here, we have several workflows for different types of video. I'm going to try this 30-second AI clip model. As you can see here, you can change the duration of this video up to 120 seconds. Then you can select the platform you want to post this video. Let's go with TikTok because I'm going to create a video similar to Maxian football channels. Let's create a video about Cristiano Ronaldo eating an ice cream. I'm just going to type it here. Guys, make sure to select the only generative media option for this. For the background music, let's go with a funny music. As the language, I'm going to select English. This is just a video of Ronaldo eating ice cream, so I'm not going to add any voiceovers or AI voices. After that, click this Continue button. Click this Generate a Video option to complete the video. You will come to this page. You can select the suitable audience, media pace, and platform from this, and click this Continue option, and it will start to generate your video. Looks like the video is done. You can go to this download option and download the final video since this is a 30-second video. I'm not going to edit this. Let's see the final output.
Hey guys, CR7 here. Beautiful day for some ice cream, right? Let's give it a try. Oh no, it's melting already. Come on, this is harder than scoring a bicycle kick. I think I'm wearing more ice cream than I've eaten. Well, that was refreshing. Maybe I should stick to football.
I know that's not what I expected, but this video proves how advanced this AI tool is. Now let's make some advanced videos with this tool. I'm going to make a movie trailer using this. If you go to Workflows, you will be able to find this AI movie trailers option. Let's select it. I'm going to make a Game of Thrones trailer, but in dark fantasy style. I'm just going to enter the prompt here and make sure to select the Generative Media Only option. For the music, I'm going to go with the dark fantasy theme. Make sure to select the language as English, and if you want, you can add subtitles to this. Just select any style that you prefer for this list. And for the voiceover, you can select either a male or female voice, and then select any accent you want. Finally, make sure to select the media style from this list, and that's all. Let's continue and generate the video.
The night is dark and full of terrors. Winter has come. And with it, a darkness long forgotten.
That's really cool. Now, let's create a documentary-style long video using this AI. You can select this documentary video workflow for that, but in this case, I have a script of my own, so I'm going to go with this script to AI video option. Let's select the approximate duration from here, and I'm going to paste my script to this. Then, you need to select these options as we did before. You already know that. For the voiceover part, I'm going to use my voice for this. Yes, with this tool you can even clone your voice. Let me show you how to do that first. Go to the home page and select this voice option. Now, if you click this, you need to upload a 30-second quality voice clip of the voice you want to clone, and make sure to add this part, which is, I give Invideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. And then you need to tick all these boxes, and this tool will create the clone of that voice. Now, you can rename it here. Now, you can find that cloned voice under this My Voice tab. I'm gonna select it, and let's continue. Okay, our video is done now. Guys, if you want to edit this video, you can use this text box. All you need to do is type what you need to do. As an example, let's convert all the captions into capital letters. Just type it here, and it will convert all the letters to capital within seconds. Now, if you want to convert this video into another language, you can do that as well. As example, I'm going to convert this to French. Just type it here, and let's see the results. La Rhénanie démilitarisée. La France et la Grande-Bretagne, craignant une nouvelle guerre, choisissent la politique de l'apaisement plutôt que la confrontation. Now, if you want to edit and replace the part of this video, you can do that as well. Click this edit option, and you will come to this page. Now, if you select this generative media option, you will be able to see all the AI videos that have been used for this whole video. Now, you can replace these videos with new videos or upload external video clips as well. So, just like this, you can add videos like these to your main video. And if you want to replace or remove the background music from this video, you can do it here as well. This is a very easy AI tool to use. Now, let's see the final output of the documentary video I created. Economic despair grips the nation, fostering resentment and political unrest. This sets the stage for radical ideologies to take root. In the early 1930s, Adolf Hitler rises to power, promising to restore Germany's pride and reclaim its lost territories. Under his leadership, Germany begins to rearm, violating the Treaty of Versailles, while the world hesitates to intervene. In 1936, German troops march into the demilitarized Rhineland. France and Britain, wary of another war, choose appeasement over confrontation, and Hitler's confidence grows. In 1938, Hitler annexes Austria, claiming to unite all German-speaking people as the international community protests, but takes no action. Next, Hitler sets his sights on the Sudetenland, a region of Czechoslovakia, and at the Munich conference, you can try Invideo AI for free, but if you want to use their generative capabilities, I highly recommend that you go for the generative plan that starts at $96 per month. It is the one that I have, and gives you the most bang for the buck with 15 generative minutes. This will save you hundreds of dollars that you would otherwise spend on editing, animating, and other production costs. If you're already an Invideo user, you can simply go to the add-on section and buy generative seconds. I honestly believe that this tool is the best video generator available now, and we can use this powerful tool to create monetizable videos on YouTube and TikTok. And with that, this video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.